Hey YouTube, today my video is on I'm gonna cut open a remote spin-on oil filter for my transmission on my Silverado 2004. Installed this about 8 to 10 months ago, and now I want to cut open it and see if I caught something weird or metal shavings or whatever. I'm going to try it with snips. As you can see, I've put some magnet on it. I don't have any special tool to cut open oil filter, so that's why I'm using snips. I just don't want to use a grinder, sawzall, whatever. If you're doing this, don't forget to wear gloves. Why not popping up top part? Okay. No metal shaving for now. That looks good too. Should have left the magnet on it, but yeah. There is probably small metal shavings in it. You can clearly see the top part there is less, but bottom part is really darker, and probably darker where the magnets were, if I'm right. Okay, I'm gonna empty the can, and looks like the magnet, yep, magnets did a good job, I think. I'm gonna empty it. It's gross, yep. And as you can see, what gonna camera and show you all the metal shavings. And it was there only for 8 to 10 months. I would have to go check. Look at this. I hope you can clearly see this. So magnets are working for transmission, and this is a remote filter for transmission oil. So I guess it did the job. By the way, my truck is 360 kilometers, so only flushed the transmission once and never dropped the pan and never changed the filter. So that's the kind of crud you get. So I removed the D-roll remote filter from the old truck, Silverado 2004, and will install it on my new old truck, a Sierra 2014 all-terrain SLE. I guess it will still continue to do a great job. By the way, the filter was a pH 253. So if you like what you saw, give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.